Have you ever wondered how many bird species grace our planet with their vibrant colors and melodious songs? The answer might astound you. There are approximately 10,000 known bird species scattered across every corner of our globe. Each one is a testament to the rich tapestry of life, an intricate part of the world's biodiversity. Imagine this, from the tiniest hummingbirds, no bigger than your thumb, to the colossal ostriches that can tower over the tallest human, birds display an astonishing range of sizes. Each species is unique, each one an individual masterpiece of nature's grand design. What makes birds so unique? Well, for starters, their feathers. These aren't just for show, mind you. They serve a plethora of functions, from flight to insulation and yes, to courtship displays that can leave one spellbound. The riot of colors, patterns and shapes you see in a bird's plumage is a result of millions of years of evolution, each feather a testament to a bird's journey through time. Then there are their beaks. From the slender, needle-like beak of a hummingbird, perfect for sipping nectar from flowers, to the strong, hooked beak of a raptor designed for tearing into their prey, bird beaks are as varied as the species themselves. They are a perfect example of form following function, and finally, the ability to fly. Not all birds can fly, mind you, but those that do, they truly rule the skies. From the swift flight of a peregrine falcon, the fastest animal on the planet, to the slow, graceful glide of an albatross, birds have mastered the art of flight like no other creature. Indeed, the world of birds is a treasure trove of diversity, each species a marvel of evolution. Did you know that birds are one of the most adaptable creatures on Earth? It's true. These feathered marvels have evolved over millions of years to survive and thrive in an incredible variety of environments. Let's take a look at the penguins in Antarctica. With temperatures that can plunge to -80 degrees Celsius, this is one of the harshest environments on the planet. Yet these flightless birds thrive here. How? They've adapted with layers of fat and dense waterproof feathers that keep them insulated against the biting cold. And their strong flippers? Perfect for swimming through icy waters in search of their favorite meal, fish. Then, there are the parrots residing in the lush tropical rainforests. With their bright plumage, they blend right into the vibrant foliage. But it's not just about looking pretty. Their strong, curved beaks are ideal for cracking open hard nuts and seeds, while their zygodactyl feet, that's 2 toes forward and 2 backward, allow them to grip branches and climb trees with ease. Meanwhile, in bustling urban areas, sparrows have made their homes amidst concrete jungles. Their small size and adaptable diet have made them perfect city dwellers. They've even learned to associate human activity with food opportunities, so don't be surprised if one swoops down to share your lunch. But the adaptability of birds isn't limited to their habitats. They've also developed unique physical traits to aid their survival. Consider the flamingo's long, stilt-like legs, perfect for wading in shallow waters, or the eagle's hooked beaks, designed for tearing into their prey. These are just a few examples of the extraordinary ways birds have adapted to their surroundings. Whether it's the Arctic tern making its home in both the Arctic and Antarctic, or the desert-dwelling sand grouse that can carry water in its feathers, birds are a testament to the power of adaptation. From the icy poles to the scorching deserts, birds have found a way to thrive. They remind us that no matter the challenge, there's always a way to adapt and overcome. Birds not only brighten our world with their colors but also with their enchanting tunes and dances, don't they? Imagine the morning symphony of tweets, chirps and whistles that greet us as dawn breaks. Birds communicate in this unique language of sounds, an essential tool for expressing emotions, signaling danger, or attracting a mate. Each species has its unique song, a melody that resonates with their identity. Let's take the songbirds, for instance. These avian virtuosos, also known as passerines, have complex vocalizations that are nothing short of an aria. The nightingale, a classic example, often sings into the night, its song a rich melodious cascade of notes. Nightingales learn these tunes from their elders, a testament to the power of tradition in the avian world. And then there are the maestros of mimicry, like the lyrebird. These birds can imitate an astonishing array of sounds, from the songs of other birds to artificial noises like car alarms and camera shutters. The lyrebird's repertoire is so vast that it's often regarded as the virtuoso of the bird kingdom. But birds don't just sing, they dance too. Courtship dances are a fascinating spectacle, a blend of beauty and theatrics meant to woo a potential mate. Consider the peacock, for example, with its iridescent tail feathers spread wide in a captivating fan. This dance is a visual feast, a testament to the peacock's allure. Then we have the birds of paradise, a group known for their extravagant courtship displays. These birds transform the rainforest into a stage, their dances a performance of twirls, hops, and graceful pirouettes. Each species has its unique routine, a dance card that's as diverse as the birds themselves. The avian world is indeed a stage, filled with performers of song and dance. These birds, with their enchanting tunes and mesmerizing dances, add a touch of magic to our world. They remind us of nature's capacity for beauty and spectacle, a show that's on display every day, if only we take the time to listen and watch. Ever thought about how some tiny birds manage to travel thousands of miles each year? Let's dive into the fascinating world of bird migration. Migration is a survival strategy, developed over countless generations. It's a cyclical journey that birds undertake to exploit the best available feeding, nesting, and breeding habitats. Birds migrate for a variety of reasons. Some do it to escape harsh winter conditions, while others travel to areas where food is more abundant. Remarkably, they manage to navigate these vast distances with pinpoint accuracy. But how exactly does this work? Birds use a variety of navigational aids, including the position of the sun, stars, and even the Earth's magnetic field. Some species, like pigeons, may also use landmarks and smells to find their way. Now let's talk about the real long-haul flyers. The Arctic tern, for instance, is famous for its epic migration. This small bird travels between its Arctic breeding grounds and the Antarctic every year, making a round trip of over 20,000 miles. That's like flying around the Earth at the equator and then some. These journeys require enormous physical effort and adaptations. Birds have light, hollow bones and powerful flight muscles to sustain long flights. They also build up fat reserves to fuel their journey. Some species can even sleep while flying, a skill that is as impressive as it sounds. But it's not just physical adaptations that make these journeys possible. Birds also demonstrate incredible mental resilience. They face numerous threats during migration, including predators, adverse weather conditions, and the loss of stopover habitats due to human activities. Yet they persist, driven by an instinct that has been honed over millennia. These migration marvels are a testament to the tenacity and adaptability of birds. They're a stunning display of nature's rhythms, of survival and endurance. Birds truly are nature's seasoned travelers, aren't they? While we marvel at these feathered creatures, it's important to remember that many bird species are at risk, isn't it? The threats they face are manifold, and it's crucial we understand these to help safeguard their futures. Habitat loss is one of the most significant challenges birds face. As forests are cleared for agriculture or urban development, many birds lose their homes. Some species can adapt to new environments, but others, especially those with highly specialized habitats, may struggle to survive. Climate change is another looming danger. Rising temperatures, unpredictable weather patterns, and changing ecosystems can disrupt bird populations. Some species may find their traditional nesting or feeding areas inhospitable, forcing them to migrate to new, potentially less suitable habitats. Pollution, too, presents a substantial risk. Oil spills can coat birds' feathers, reducing their ability to fly or float. Plastic waste can choke or starve birds who mistake it for food. Even light and noise pollution can disorient birds, particularly those that rely on stars for navigation or quiet for communication. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are numerous efforts underway to conserve bird populations. Protected areas, such as national parks and wildlife refuges, offer safe havens for birds. Species reintroduction programs aim to restore populations of endangered birds, often involving careful breeding and rearing of chicks, followed by their release into suitable habitats. And there's something we all can do. Supporting bird conservation can be as simple as making our gardens bird-friendly, reducing our plastic use, or advocating for policies that protect birds and their habitats. By purchasing products from companies that prioritize sustainable practices, we can help reduce habitat loss. And by educating ourselves and others about birds and their needs, we can foster a greater appreciation and respect for these remarkable creatures. Just as birds enrich our world, we too have a role to play in ensuring their survival.